I'm Dominique from Democratic Republic Congo. So we came here to attend this event in Pakistan forum. So my view on this forum, it's really amazing. So we just call Pakistan to work hard to take to take this opportunity for developing the country. We have to understand that this opportunity first it came for Pakistan. So the Pakistan they must be the benefit of this opportunity. Then they have to take opportunity also to develop the country. So the government has the part, and also Pakistanis, you have the responsibility to work to contribute in the development. So the mining sector, it came now in Pakistan. It's gonna assist everyone to make that development showing everywhere. Thank you.